Hello students, our topic for today is intramural and extramural. Let's begin today's topic. Intramural. Intramural is derived from the Latin word intra and muralis. Intra means within and muralis means wall. So the activities which are organized within the walls or the campus of an institution are called intramural. Students, sometimes we frequently incorrectly misuse the word intermural with intramural. The word intermural, which also correctly means between institutions, is a common error for intramural. Hence, the accurate word is intramural. Here is the definition of intramural. The activity which is played or performed between the houses or classes of the same institution is called intramural. Here are some activities which we can include in intramural competition. Keeping in mind the facilities, time and finance available for completing the competitions, major and minor games shall be included. The interest of the students shall also be taken into consideration while deciding activities for competition. In major games, football, volleyball, cricket, basketball, handball, table tennis, kabaddi, kho-kho. In minor games, dodgeball, tug of war, roller skating, treasure hunt. In rhythmic activities, aerobic dance, marching, rhythmic gymnastics, lezing, dumbbell or hula hoop drill. In combative activities, boxing, judo, wrestling, taekwondo, we can include in intramural competition. Now let's know the objectives of intramural. An objective can be defined as a goal you want to achieve. To provide opportunities for the students to organize and conduct competition. The intramural provides practical experience from the point of view of organizing and conducting of sports meet. To provide mass participation. Intramural in the institution provides an opportunity to all the students to take part in sports activities, especially for those who could not get berth in the institutional team. To provide an experience to participants in competitive sports. The intramural provides an opportunity to the upcoming athletes to show their skill in sporting events. This may encourage them in future to take part in the higher competition. To develop the leadership qualities and fellowship. Intramural develop fellowship participation in sports competitions and also leadership qualities. It provides opportunity to learn a variety of games and skills. To provide recreation. Intramural provide opportunities to the students for fun and enjoyment. To find out the talented athlete. Intramural conducted for the whole academic session. The next higher sporting competition approaching in the near future helps in selecting good team for the institution. To develop personality. To develop the feeling of sportsmanship. To develop social value. Further, the participants get very good training for citizenship, adult living, and human relations. Now I am going to tell you the significance of intramural. Intramurals are very significant for physical, mental, emotional and social development of students. These programs also lay stress on moral and ethical values of students. These programs are also important to calm down the fighting instinct of children. Intramural refresh the children and make them agile. Intramural helps in selection for school teams. The intramural creates recreational atmosphere among the teachers and students. Now I am going to tell about extramural. Extramural is derived from the Latin words extra and muralis. Extra means outside and muralis means wall. So the activities which are performed outside of the campus of an institution or school are known as extramural. Now the definition is the activities which are organized by an institution or organization and the students from various schools participate in them is called extramural. Now the activities for extramural. The major games football, volleyball, cricket, basketball, handball, table tennis, kabaddi, kho-kho, track and field, skating, badminton. In rhythmic activities, aerobic dance, marching, rhythmic gymnastics. In combative activities, boxing, judo, wrestling, taekwondo. Now let's know the objectives of extramural. To provide experience to students. Extramural sports competition can bring out noticeable positive reactions and behaviors in students. To improve the standard of sports. The well-organized competitions over a long period of time will allow for better development and talent spotting. It will also give sports persons an opportunity to compete and improve. To broaden the base of sports, the grassroots participation in these sports will create some positive knock-on effects across the sports system. To develop sportsmanship and fraternity. Extramural tend to develop the traits of sportsmanship and fraternity in students. It also develops respect and a sense of fellowship with one's competitors. To provide knowledge of new rules and advanced techniques. In extramurals, students come to know about new rules and regulations of the games and sports, and they learn new techniques and as well as tactics which enable them in improving their performance. The significance of extramural. Extramural inculcates team spirit and develop strategic thinking, analytical thinking, leadership skills, goal setting and risk taking. Provide opportunities to schools to show their capabilities. For enhancing the standard of sports performance. for making and implementing the programs of physical education more effective. Importance of intramural and extramural may be summarized in the light of the objectives mentioned here. That the students are provided with ample opportunities to develop their physical, mental, emotional and social health through participation in these activities. Through the physical activities, their skill is developed to use their leisure time constructively. Further, the participants get very good training for citizenship, adult living and human relations. Thank you students. Stay home, stay fit.